Bradman, are you babysitting the ladies? They were supposed to be babysitting me. Like I'll babysitting them. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Oh no, you made him upset. Just a second, We're gonna video the girls doing their thing. Bradman's watching them. Okay, go, Liddy.
Want the puppy?
Awesome.
Puppy. Watch this.
Can I do it? Want to probably do it this way?
No. You're too big. Willow.
Oh yeah.
Willow hasn't done her thing. What are you doing, Willow?
Wait, now we do something. To get me, if you want to do one take.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. Spread it out a little bit so you don't.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Oh, did Bradley fall down? Okay, the floor shook.